rand, I'm looking for 60. That is dirt cheap for this car. At 55,000 rand, I'm looking for 60. And for that bonds at 55,000 rand. 60 I've got to the gentleman Levi's is first. At 60,000 rand, I need 65. At 60,000 rand, I need 6,000 rand, I'm looking for 60. That is dirt cheap for this car. At 55,000 rand, I'm looking for 60. And for that bonds at 55,000 rand.
Hello family, welcome again on our channel. Here we are in the auction cars leftover. Auction cars leftover are the cars that the auction been selling online. For the first time people didn't bid on it, the second time people did not bid on it, the third time people are still not buying it. Then they sell it as a leftover cars, which mean the no runner cars, accidents, minor damage cars, that people are afraid because these cars are no runners. They are not starting, they are just the way it is. You buy it the way it is. So people are afraid to buy this kind of cars. Sometimes online they sell it and the people are not bidding on it, or maybe the price the auction wants is not what the people are offering, and then the auction can sell it last after the online auction. So it is an auction secret that they don't want everyone to know, and they don't allow people even to find out how these things work or how they sell it. But remember, you cannot come with your cash to buy these cars directly. You still follow the same procedure to buy a car into the auction, which means you must register, you must have a buyer number, then they can sell it to you. First you have to register, put a deposit in the auction account, get a buyer number, then you can also buy these cars. So guys, if you don't know about this channel, this is KKT Cars, and if you want to know more about these cars, all we can ask you is to subscribe. Then you will know more about our channel and the cars we're posting numerous different cars. So right now we're showing you this beautiful VW. As you can see, it has some smash it around the body, especially to the passenger side. There are a lot of smashes that need to be fixed. So right now I'm showing you the interior of this VW R line. As you can see, a beautiful, also latest. Unfortunately, this VW was already into a previous accident, and the air balloon or airbag came out already. So the air balloon, that airbag is off, and you can see there is also a cracks on the windshield. The windshield is cracked. So the price of this VW has gone very cheap. I'm going to read the problem that are here. All the tires are almost finished. There is no good tires, you need to put new tires. What else they need there? Steering, airbag, traction light is also on. The airbag is on, as you can see, involved in the major previous accident, no service book and so on. Just small things. Airbag pop it means the airbag came out. Battery is also flat, nothing is there. So the factory radio and so on, all those small things that need to be fixed. This VW was sold, guys, 57,000 rand, 57,000 rand, and you need to put some VAT on top of it, then you will get that VW. So right now 57,000 rand for that VW, it's not bad. It is a previous accident, but it is a latest VW. At least you can own it. So I'm showing you this Ford now, which is a Ford, beautiful Ford, nice one, ST. As you can see, no sign of accident around the body of this Ford. The Ford look just clean and neat. It doesn't have any sign of accident at all. Yeah, as you can see, there's no sign of an accident with this Ford. All the windows, the windshields, everything look perfect. Nothing is broken or no smash around. But this Ford is not starting. It's not starting. They say it got a problem with the, what we call it, the radiator leak. They say previous paint rip spray and so on. So this car is not starting. So we don't know what is the problem. It's up to your mechanic to tell you what is the problem. And they've sold this car over here, as you can see, the way it is, 45,000 rand, 45,000 rand. Remember the prices you're buying these cars, including VAT, 45,000 rand. You must go and find out. It can be only the battery, or maybe the car key is not there. But small thing to be touch up, and you can own this beautiful Ford that you're seeing here. You can see the interior is very beautiful. No anything. There are some small spare of the door that came off. The chairs are a bit dirty that need to be washed properly. Auto Valet will clean it and renew all these chairs. The car is very, very neat. So I'm going to show you more cars as we keep going around. Let's go and check to the other side and try to find you more damaged cars. This is also a beautiful Renault, which is Renault. You can see, I don't know what Renault is this. I'll tell you as we go. The cradle is broken, and the bonnet is not closing properly. Just to adjust that front bonnet and everything will be okay. The body doesn't have a problem. The body is very clean, nothing wrong around the body. I have not seen any damage or any smash around it. Here it is, beautiful Renault. The lights and everything are on as we keep going. Let's check the interior. Yeah, the interior is also good. The bad news, there is no bad news. I thought maybe the air, yeah, you can see this ball of the gear is off. Only this ball is off, but it's still available. You have to replace it yourself. The airbag is in. That is a good news. I like cars that airbags never came out. And this Renault, let's read what is going on here. As you can see, jump start. Oh, good mechanic will fix it. Engine ABS lights on, and traction failure as well. Traction fault, yeah, lights on and so on. Those small things. Tires are finished. Yeah, the tires are almost finished. There's nothing left there. Yeah, latch, I don't know what is it here. Latch brakes or latch broken. I don't know what is that. So this Renault, they sold it 36,000 rand. 36,000 rand plus VAT. You put the VAT there, it can take you maybe around 41 or 42,000, and you will own that Renault. Remember, it's not starting, it's not running. So I'm taking you around to show you more beautiful cars that are also over here. Here is a beautiful BMW, a big machine, a BMW and a Mercedes. The Mercedes is not for sale right now, but the BMW is a leftover car. And that BMW, I just gonna find out the price. I don't have the price of it, how much it was sold, but the VW is the one I can show you right now. Another beautiful Polo, it's also over here. The bumper is loose. This one here, the bumper is loose. You can buy it easily by yourself. Let me go and show you around first before we can show you the price of this VW Polo. There is not much, only to fix the front and the back bumper to adjust it properly. It's not fixed properly, and there is a small scratch over there on the door. You see, this bumper is not sitting properly. You need to set it properly, and then it can stay firm. So let's go around and check. Here is some small dent over here, as you can see. Here is a dent over there next to the petrol cap. Yes, windshield, everything around, it's good. There's nothing wrong there. So the only thing, there is some small dent there on the doors as well. Small things that need to be maybe fixed by your panel beater. And this car also is not starting. They are all no runners. They say the price of that VW 50,000 rand. 50,000 rand. Let me check how much was the price of this VW plus VAT. The VW was sold. Just remember the expenses of buying the small thing, the mechanic and so on, and you can own that VW. So now let's speak about VW. So the BMW prices was given to me back. They gave me the price that this VW was sold. It was sold 75,000 rand. It has a mechanic problem, but it is a latest BMW. Remember, this BMW, to fix it you must have some money, because it will cost you to fix this BMW. It's not a cheaper car. 75,000 this BMW has been sold. So plus VAT, it will take you maybe around 80 or 90, something like that, and then you have a big job to fix it until you restore it. The car is not starting, it has a mechanic problem, and the windshield is also broken there. To the front here, there is not much damage, only the radiator is not there. You have to put the radiator, but the engine is inside. I can see the engine is there. Only the radiator, and put the radiator, put other small front spare there, cradle and bumper, then you can restore this VW. 75,000 Rand plus VAT. So let's go and show you another beautiful car, Honda, which is a mini SUV.
Oh, okay.
Beautiful Honda is over there, and also a Renault. This is a Renault, what we call it, Renault Triber. That Honda, I will show you that Honda. Let's go with the Renault first, because I'm doing it according to the prices that I have here. This is a Renault. I'm seeing here the front bumper is also loose. They didn't fix it properly. As you can see, the light is very dirty. You need to fix those small things and get it done. Just a beautiful Renault. It's not a Triber. Yes, it's a Renault Triber, excuse me. Renault Triber is over here. The body is not bad, no smash it or major damage, accident around it, no. Everything is okay, the body is fine, just some small scratch that can be pulled. The only thing to adjust is the front bumper that is not sitting. They sold it 49,000 Rand. 49,000 Rand that Renault is sold. Remember, plus VAT, and you have to go and fix it yourself. So here come a beautiful Honda Amaze. Doesn't have a job also to do. The body is clean, but the car is not starting. They say it needs a mechanic intention. That is what is written here, mechanic intention, but the body is very good. There's no any problem. Honda Amaze, as you can see, it's so beautiful and neat, very clean as well. The price of this Honda Amaze is 60,000 Rand. 60,000 Rand. It's not an old Honda, it's a new Honda, as you can see. 60,000 Rand, they sold it. It's not starting, they just written it needs mechanic intention. 60 plus some 15% VAT. You know how much you can spend over there. It needs just to adjust the back bumper. 60,000 Rand, you get this Honda Amaze, but the mechanic need to check the engine, what is wrong with the engine, or maybe you have to replace or buy some spare parts. But as you can see clearly, it's a very, very beautiful car, and also a latest car. 60,000 Rand, you got this, you get this Honda Amaze. So as you can see around, nothing to show you again. Let us go and show you other cars. You need to replace the cover of this mirror that came off. Just some small things that is missing there. The tires are finished. Starter fault. The starter, you see the thing I'm talking, the starter is not working. Factory radio is a problem also. Factory battery is also a problem, and they say it need a mechanic intention. So those are small things. 60,000 Rand, you got this Honda. People are just afraid to buy it because they thought maybe there's no engine or whatever, but easy things to be fixed. Another beautiful VW Polo that is coming right now, as you can see. A beautiful VW, it's over here. Also the bumper is completely off. The bumper is off, that need to be replaced. Buy a new bumper. The engine never been touched. Just to replace that bumper. The body from this side of the passenger side is very, very neat, no problem. The back bumper also is a bit damaged. You will need also maybe to replace it, or maybe I'm not sure if you would like to keep it. But As you can see over here to the back, I will show you the bumper is damaged. The bumper is damaged. All the lightings are okay, but you see the back bumper is damaged, that need to be replaced. You have to buy a new bumper to own this car. And there is some small dents also down there. I'll show you. Let us check the interior. Yeah, there is some spare part that came off as well. Let me take you to the front. The good news is that the air balloon never pop up, airbag never pop out. It's still inside, and it's very neat.
Awesome.
So let's 66,000 rand. This VW was sold 66,000 rand. 66,000 rand. The car is not starting. It got a problem to check as well with the mechanic or the electronics. You don't know, so it's up to your mechanic to check it. 66,000 rand plus VAT is something like above 70,000 rand and something. So it's up to you to check it and know how much you're going to spend, and you can own that VW. Here come another beautiful Toyota Corolla Quest. Damage on the passenger side. As you can see, the front bumper is completely off. You need to replace it. The back side doesn't have a problem. The back side is okay. Back bumper Toyota, as you can see there, there's no damage to the back over here. Everything look nice and clean. So a beautiful Toyota Corolla 1.6. Very neat. We're checking around if there is any damage to this side, also off the driver's side. I'm not seeing any damage over there. Beautiful Toyota Corolla. The only damage I'm seeing is to the front left side. Yes, the front left hand got a problem with the bumper that you need to buy. Nice leather seat, and the car is neat inside. The airbag is still inside, and this Toyota Corolla is sold 55,000 rand. 55,000 rand. Guys, the Toyota is not an old model, it's a nice one. It doesn't have a problem. The only problem they've written here, no starting. It's not starting. It can be the battery is flat, or you don't know, and you will buy only that bumper and the headlights, but the engine and the rest of the thing is perfect. So you see the tires is always there. The suspension also is bent. First battery, the battery is nothing there. So factory radio, no spare wheels and so on. Those are no service. The main issue here is just the suspension, to fix that suspension, and that's all. And they say it's not starting. So not much to do, is just to buy the front bumper and fix the front lights. You can see the car is not touched, so it's only a matter of changing this front bumper and also putting a new fender, and then you got a beautiful Toyota standing in front of you. The lightings are there. Maybe you can replace the spotlights if you want, but the front, everything is okay. The cradle is there. Only this front bumper will be replaced, and with a 55,000 rand, you get a new Toyota in front of you. So subscribe if you want more cars. We will show you the bakkies, the single cab, the double cab, the 7-seaters. We will show you more accident cars that are here. If you want to see them all, subscribe and you won't miss it out. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe, to share the video with many people who are looking for the cars around South Africa. So thank you for watching once again. Until we see you on the next video.